Is it possible to install a PS4 graphics card in a PC?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be tackling an interesting question. Can you install a PS4 graphics card into a PC? It's a topic that's often discussed, particularly by those keen to harness the power of the PlayStation 4's custom GPU in their PC setups. Let's dive right in and figure this out.
What is a PS4's graphics card?
First off, let's understand what we're working with. The PlayStation 4 uses a custom AMD GPU. This graphics processor is integrated into the PS4's main chip, alongside the central processor. It's a part of a highly specialized design known as a System-on-a-Chip society. This design is made specifically for the PS4 and is fundamentally different from the architecture of a standard PC graphics card.
Are PS4 graphics cards and PC graphics cards interchangeable?
Now that we know what a PS4 graphics card is, let's answer the main question. Can you use it in a PC? Unfortunately, the answer is no. There are several reasons for this. 1. Hardware compatibility. The PS4 society design means the GPU isn't a separate, removable component like a PC's graphics card. This design isn't compatible with a standard PC motherboard. 2. Software compatibility. PS4 software environment is proprietary, so even if you could somehow physically install the GPU into a PC, it would not be able to communicate effectively with PC software. 3. Legal restrictions. Even if it were technically feasible, Sony's terms of service prohibit the tampering with or alteration of their consoles. In other words, while the idea of leveraging the PS4's GPU in a PC is appealing, it's not feasible due to a range of hardware, software, and legal constraints.
What are the alternatives?
If you're looking to enhance your PC's graphics capabilities, there are more viable alternatives. Upgrading your PC's graphics card with a newer model that matches your needs is a practical way to increase performance. You may also consider other options like upgrading your RAM, CPU, or moving your OS and games to an SSD for better speed and performance. In conclusion, while the idea of installing a PS4 graphics card into a PC is intriguing, it's unfortunately not possible due to hardware, software, and legal restrictions. The best way to enhance your PC's graphics is to invest in a new, more powerful graphics card that's designed for your system. We hope you found this information helpful, and happy gaming!